Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to upload an image to Mailchimp. Whether you're preparing visuals for an email campaign or building a library of assets for future use, knowing how to efficiently upload and manage images in Mailchimp is essential for creating polished professional content. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. This will take you to the Mailchimp homepage where you can access your account. Once you're there, click on the login button and enter your username and password to sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your Mailchimp workspace, as this will ensure you have access to all your campaigns and content. After logging in, you'll land on your Mailchimp dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the left sidebar menu where you'll find various navigation options. Look for and click on Content. This section is where all your uploaded files, images, and other assets are stored and managed. It's essentially your media library within Mailchimp, making it easy to organize and reuse content across different campaigns. Once you're in the content dashboard, you'll see an upload button prominently displayed. Click on this button to begin the process of adding your image. Alternatively, if your image is hosted online, Mailchimp also gives you the option to import it directly through a URL. This flexibility is particularly useful if you're working with images stored on cloud services or other websites and want to avoid downloading them first. Next, a file browser window will open on your screen. Navigate to the location on your computer where your image is saved and select it. Keep in mind that Mailchimp supports common image formats like JPG, PNG, and GIF. It's also important to ensure your image file size is optimized and stays under 10 MB. Large files can slow down your email load times and may not upload successfully, so compressing your images beforehand is a good practice. After selecting your image, click Open or Choose, depending on your operating system. Mailchimp will then begin uploading the file to your content library. You'll see a progress indicator showing the upload status. Once the upload is complete, your image will automatically appear in your file library within the content section. From there, you can easily insert it into any email campaign, template, or landing page you're working on. And there you have it, a straightforward way to upload images to Mailchimp and keep your content library organized and ready for action. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.